Hey guys, this is Jesper from SchemaWriter. I just want to show you the update to how we handle service schema inside of SchemaWriter. So we recently moved service schema away from company info out into the table called service that you can see below the persons table. So the way that you handle service schema and offer catalog schema is that you go into service schema, you add a new table or list, I'll show you, and then you can add the services to that list. And you can see that I have three lists already. I have the SEO services, the development, and the repairing list. And if I click view here, so you can see that I have this SEO services service. I can click edit, and then I can see the things that I determined that I wanted to add to this particular service schema or to this particular service. We'll go back again. Development, let's view this. I have 4 different services. Let's just click edit on web development. Then I added a little bit more information to this guy here. So let me just go back again. So let me show you how you create a list. So add new. I will call it SEO services Jesper Nissen and click add. And I will have to click view here, because then I can go in and click add new service. I can then name my service search engine optimization. The category will be search engine optimization, and the description will be service how to learn to be visible on Google, like this. The audience will be people that want to be visible on Google, want their website to be visible. A service type is search engine optimization. No awards and catalog. So awards is if this service has won an actual award in real life. I know that some people, they do use the awards to put in keywords, and it's totally up to you. I mean, you can do like this, best search engine optimization, but I mean, I didn't win this award. I can add this if I want to make sure that I have this keywords. That's not what it's meant to do. So I advise that you follow the guidelines of schema.org and Google. Has catalog. I can add an offer catalog here under this service. So then the schema will look like this. It will be of type service. It will have this name. It will be this service type, and it will have an offer catalog. Under this offer catalog, I can then add offers. So add offer 1, add offer 2. So now I added 2 offers, and now they're of course empty. And I can then do like this. Hold on, let's make the first one. Search engine optimization, local search engine optimization, and the URL will be, I don't know, I don't have any URL right now. The description will be the same. Additional type, no additional type. Price will be 500. Currency will be US dollars. And the advantage of adding offers like this is that you can actually add the price. So beneath this service, you have this offer that is local search engine optimization. And then you can have national search engine optimization. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm just going through this, guys, so you can see an example of how it's possible to do some of the things here. And add. Good. So now I added this search engine optimization. So yeah, I think that's it, and I can always click edit, good, and then I can see the entire schema that I added for this guy here with the offers, complete with the offers. Now I can go into the company info, and let me find my company called Jesper Nissen. And I am using the plugin, and it's active. Let me actually just I just need to check if I have the latest version. 159, and I do have 159, so that's fine. So that's just a good thing to check, because we are constantly updating this plugin to include various things. So I click edit in my company. So now I'm going to show you the way to actually upload services to a singular page. So I click on sitemap, and I can now choose any of these pages to actually upload the service. For example, this one, cloud stacking SEO course, it is actually a service that we can add to. It's called local search optimization and national search optimization. And cloud stacking SEO, it is about search engine optimization, and it's both local and national. So what I will do is I will scroll out to the right, and you can see that there is this button called service, and this is new. Let me find it again. Here it is, cloud stacking SEO course. So service, select, import, and now I added this search engine optimization, that was difficult to say, search engine optimization service, right? And this makes it extremely easy to handle services, because the way that this is then now handled is I can now choose to upload this to WordPress. Let me go to my site. Let me show you something. SEO courses, and cloud stacking SEO course. I think it was this one, right? So if I go into schema.org, I don't think I will see any. I don't think I will see any schema, service schema for this page. Run test. Yeah, so we do have the web page schema that's built into to the schema writer global schema. Let's see here. Yeah, so we have the online business and this stuff here, and let's see here, product and breadcrumb list. So we have something here, but we don't have the service because I didn't upload that. So let me click upload to WordPress. Service uploaded successfully. So you know how in WordPress you might need to actually clear cache. Let me just see. I'm not sure if I need to clear cache. I didn't. Here it is, service. So it's already uploaded. And you can see here provider, that's Jesper Nissen. So all of this is, so if you're wondering, well, why service, where's the local business schema? That's actually embedded, that's nested and stacked inside of the service schema, because that's the way that schema writer actually handles service schema. So you will be able to see the keywords, the The parent organization is the online business of Jesper Nissen and all of the areas served, because I did add local, the zip codes and all of these city names to my schema, just because I'm testing, right? I'm not doing local SEO for myself, but I am testing what I'm deploying to you guys. So that's why I added these cities and these zip codes to the local business schema for myself. But anyway, so now we have actually this service schema, and it's complete. And that's actually completely, let me just click Save and Close. So that's very nice. And what you can see here, this little green button means that service schema is active for this page. So when I scroll up and down, I can see service schema is active for this page. Let's see here. I can see I have SEO services. Let's see, and then for the page that I just did, and for this page and a couple of other pages where I tested it. So I can also sort. You can see I'm clicking here, I can sort, so I can see what are the pages that I didn't upload service schema to yet. If I ran a report, I can see that I analyzed this. I did run a report on this page, the home page. The target keyword was SEO, and then I can go in and edit the schema here. So this is the report for the, let me click OK. So this is the report for the home page, where I did add a report. I did run a report for the keyword SEO. So I'll click back to sitemap. So yeah, so we recently updated this table here to make it reflect some of the changes that is going on inside of SchemaWriter. So this makes it extremely easy for you guys to handle service schema, because the advantage is that, for example, for this About Me, if I click service, I can select the services from the table over to the left. What this means is that let's say that you're an agency that you are running 50 websites that are all doing pest control, or 50 websites that are all doing tree service, or 50 dentist websites. So what you will be doing is that you will be creating one list called dental services over here in the service, like I just showed you. So you're creating one list called dental services, and then you can just select and import dental services, good import for each page, for each website. And then, of course, you can just, you might want to adjust the service for this page and company, right? But the provider and the brand is selected for you, and the URL is also selected for you. You can see it says About Me. So that's automatically selected because you are inside of the sitemap, you are inside of this company. So the company information, the URL will be automatically selected for you. So you don't need to worry about this. You just need to worry about what service do I need to add to the Twitter Moments blog post, for example. Do I need to add service to that? If yes, then just click here. You don't need to run reports to add services. You can just add it. I still run reports, SchemaWriter reports, for the pages that I want to optimize. But if the purpose for you is to add local business schema and service schema, the only thing that you need to do is you do need to create the company. You do need to add the WordPress plugin, and then you can fetch sitemap from WordPress. Sitemap can't be fetched. Why not? Okay, so it could be fetched. But anyway, so you do need to fetch the sitemap from WordPress and update it. You'll notice that it actually changed to update sitemap from WordPress, right? And that's because once you fetched it one time, you can click update if you added blog posts. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the new and updated way to handle service schema. I hope you like it. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.